But which place is this? Oh, this is what is it called?
Denmark.
हाँ, ड्रिफ्टमार्क।
Denmark.
ये है तो यार अल्पेश, इतना तो उदास हो रहा है ये, और कितना उदास होगा?
अभी यही एपिसोड में खुश हो जाता है वो।
ये एपिसोड में खुश हो जाता है तो पूरा एपिसोड उदास रहेगा।
इसको डाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर है।
नहीं, मेरे को आई एम नॉट सेइंग
हाँ
कि एक एपिसोड पूरा उदास रखो,
हाँ
बट जैसे ये एपिसोड में उसको 5 मिनट्स का या 1 मिनट का सीन दिखाओ, फिर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में भी उसका मेंशन होना चाहिए। इसका सब लास्ट में बस बोलता है कि मैंने मेरी शिप का नाम उसके ऊपर रख दिया एंड देन आई एम गुड।
तो यू आर सेइंग कि मातम थोड़ा लंबा मनाना चाहिए, ऐसे ऐसे
हाँ
एक एपिसोड में नहीं
हाँ,
खत्म करना है।
ऑडियंस को लगना चाहिए मतलब कि हाँ यार बुरा तो हुआ।
This is the beginning of the end for for King's Landing,
Queens.
right? Like people
This
start.
is very ominous. A poor dragon being paraded as fun in the streets as a sign of victory.
Hmm.
अभी तक क्रिस्टन कॉल बहुत ज्यादा बुरा था, लाइक ही गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ हेट।
Hmm.
इसके बाद लाइक पूरा विजन चेंज हो जाता है उसका।
Hmm.
Arc changes, na?
Hmm.
या
He's also a very grey thing. Like in time, the specks of goodness are highlighted more than the specks of worse things someone has done.
क्रिस्टन कॉल या
Christian Cole.
टू मी ही इज अ बैड गाय,
Yeah, he did a lot of worse things as well.
especially when he forced one brother to attack his another brother and they both died, right? I think second episode.
Those two kings guard to assassinate Rhaenyra.
एरिक एंड एरिक।
यार ये डेमन का आर्मर कितना सेक्सी है, नहीं?
Very
जो आर्मर
sexy.
उसने पहना है एकदम मस्त लग रहा है। वो छाती पे एकदम हल्का हल्का वो भी है, एनग्रेविंग ड्रैगन का।
Now this is what a royal armor should look like.
हाँ हाँ, वो एगॉन द कॉन्करर वाला लगा नहीं मुझे कि एगॉन द कॉन्करर का वो था।
वो ऐसा लग रहा था किसी द्वारपाल का आर्मर उठा के पहना दी। Bella is very resourceful.
हाँ, ये क्या दे रही है? अच्छा हैंड दे रही है वो।
When she is not at King's Landing, Bella will be handling the security and
Oh, his dream. This was his mother, na? Hmm.
this was his mother dreaming.
Oedipus complex.
I think Simon Strong's clothes are also very beautiful.
हाँ
Entire season.
हाँ
They're very luxurious.
हाँ, लग रहा है मान्यवर से खरीदे हैं।
Devil.
वो मान्यवर वाले ही यार पूरे टाइम कोई मान्यवर कैसे पहन सकता है? गर्मी लगेगी।
नहीं, मटेरियल ऐसा है कि वेदर अप्रोप्रिएट के, मतलब लगे गर्मी
हाँ,
ना
ये
लगे
तो है।
वैसा। दिस इज व्हेन शी गेट्स फायर्ड, इज इट? नहीं, इसके बाद शायद।
This is where she gets me Nazis. All the men on the table. Everyone says no. You cannot be the queen regent. No, no.
And if you look at the bigger picture, that's what exactly she did to Rhaenyra, right? Because she's a
Yes.
woman, and then she had to face that with herself only.
She first does this to her kids. Then she wants to rule, and then she faces the same. She's
Yeah.
like, shit.
She's a woman and all.
I am tasting my own medicine.
Yes.
Oh no, the dragon seed.
I did not know how their daughter died, right?
So she died of not getting medicine and food.
Acha.
It was obvious.
I just came back to see the dog.
Dog, na? I was looking at it constantly. There is something important with the dog. Why they are giving it a lot of screen time? I think it will be revealed in season 3. The dog will lead up to something else.
Maybe.
I think dog was there with this blood and cheese, right? It's the
हाँ,
same
Yes.
dog.
same dog, blood
Yeah,
and
yeah.
cheese. Yes, yes.
It's the same one only.
अरे, I like this negotiation. I like this guy.
This negotiation was epic. I liked the broad-mindedness of the two oldies who were on the table. They were willing to negotiate with a young guy like him, really young guy.
And the table is made up of door, I think. It's a door, no?
This is so cool. A spiked armored table, a door into a table. Their romance of hallucinations will never stop.
यार ये है तो अभी भी अगले एपिसोड में दुखी। अच्छा नहीं, ये सेम एपिसोड चल रहा है, सॉरी। अब इसको हैंड बनाया जाएगा और इसकी उदासी खत्म हो जाएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्पेश।
सेम तब भी हुआ था जब ये इनका बेटा लेनोर सपोजिटली मतलब मार दिया गया था। उसके नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में भी वो तिल थे दोनों ही, कॉर्लिस और रेन।
ये दिस इज दैट सीन ना, दिस इज सी द लाइटिंग, एक साइड अच्छा है और एक साइड बुरा है, मतलब one side light and one side dark.
It is like that mask na, where we see comedy of error wala jo mask hai. There's a light side and dark side in one mask. This is one ambitious character, very ambitious.
And only maybe his ego or ambition will lead to his downfall.
Yes, very very true.
अच्छा यहीं पे वो हिंट मिलता है ना, दे आर हियर फिगर आउट कर रहे होते हैं कि ड्रैगन्स कौन राइड करेगा और ये बोलता है कि यहाँ पे इतने सारे स्क्रॉल्स रखे हैं, दैट्स द फेस नो।
हाँ, और उसके 2 एपिसोड बाद आके बोलता है कि कोई भी थोड़ी उड़ाएगा।
अच्छा आइडिया भी इसी ने दिया और
हाँ,
रिबेल भी यही कर रहा है।
और रिवर्ट बैक भी यही किया। This is like pure corporate shit.
अरे इतना मतलब I think we should give some credit to writers. Like people are not very happy with the writers,
हाँ,
but we should understand that they have created it out of 240 pages. Like उनका screenplay would be longer than the book pages.
करेक्ट।
So in GOT, like total pages were what? First 5 books, I think 2,500 or 3,000. And based on that, they created 50 episodes. Now, out of 200 odd pages, they are creating what? Minimum 3 or maximum 4 seasons. They are bringing that something Night of the Seven Kingdom series as well.
नाइट ऑफ द सेवन किंगडम बेस्ड ऑन द ऑल द
Yeah.
नाइट्स लाइक।
No. I think he wrote some other books, Dunk and Eggs करके, जो जॉर्ज मार्टिन, so उसके बेसिस पे आ रहा है। HBO के बस टीजर दिया, नेक्स्ट ईयर आएगा।
अच्छा
People are calling it a good idea as well as it can turn into flop as well. Not much sure how will it go about.
It would be more on the funnier and normal side than war and battle.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a short story. Basically, how a knight and his squire is roaming around the Westeros.
Oh, okay.
100 years after this.
100 years
After-
आफ्टर हाउस ऑफ ड्रैगन और 100 years आफ्टर गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स।
Why
House
are
of
they-
Dragon.
अच्छा
But why are they doing that? I'm not getting that part.
No. So that's what George R.R. Martin wrote in a book when he did not find courage to finish the main book.
Oh,
I think
I
it's
like that.
Tales of Dunk and Egg. It's a novella.
Oh, the Duncan Egg part. No, the new series being made on it.
I think just last week HBO released a trailer of whatever coming in 2024 and 2025, in which there was a 5-second clip of this Night of the Seven Kingdoms, which is based on Tales of Dunk and Egg.
Okay, got it. Very interesting. Duncan.
या बेसिकली मेरे को लगता है कि उन्होंने बहुत सारा अपने एमबीए की टर्म्स में बहुत सारा कैपेक्स कर दिया है, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, सब सेट्स वगैरह है, तो कितना भी बनाओ बना लो, एडिशनल खर्चा नहीं होगा।
ये तो है.
दिस इज द फर्स्ट ब्लड सीड ऑफ ड्रैगन ना, दिस गाय फर्स्ट
आई
टेस्ट।
थिंक आई हैव डन इट।
यार ये सही है, ये जाने ही वाला होता है, उसको पकड़ के ये डायलॉग बोलने लगती है तुम कुछ नहीं हो।
लास्ट में भी वही रियलाइज होता है ना, यू आर नॉट द प्लेयर बट अ
हाँ।
पीस ऑन द बोर्ड, प्ले योर
हाँ।
पार्ट।
Not able to see the snapshots.
ओके आर यू कैन यू सी अल्पेश?
आई कैन
क्लिक ऑन स्ट्रीम अगेन श्रेया,
Click on.
स्ट्रीम लाइक अनक्लिक, आई मीन क्लोज एंड जॉइन अगेन। अब दिख रहा है?
Now अब दिख रहा है. Yes.
ठीक है।
The features are very angular.
हम्म
Not like, I was gonna say
Full
I'm
arrogance.
not like you, but I like you.
She never even wanted it. The crown. She spared it no thought.
Who gave the crown to her? Perhaps those who strive for it are the least suited to wear it.
Don't lecture me!
अभी वो बोलती है कि तुमको गुस्सा है और गुस्से से अंधे हो गए हो,
Never wanted it himself.
अब वो गुस्सा करने लगता है।
He came to it, he did his best. It's not a prize to be won, but a
Touch me.
burden.
He's a very smart person.
डेमन ना।
No,
No, no.
she's talking about the witch.
अच्छा या
Because in the books in future, the witch
If you
gets
have any counsel
Aemon
from
Targaryen's
the
kid,
Lords, I'd be glad to
and then she later on rules her and all also.
and she is I think bastard
For help.
by birth.
She is bastard.
House Tully is not the largest house in the Riverlands, nor is it the richest, but it is the most stable. Wisdom has kept the for centuries.
They have not utilized this Daemon character in this season a lot.
no use to her.
He is
No,
their Lord
I think
Carver.
in season 3 they will really expand on him more.
Yeah.
More in season 3 and it will end in season 3 as well.
Yeah.
At the end forever.
Yeah, but he will play a pivotal part in the battle because without Vhagar gone, they can't win. Like Blacks can't win.
Because Tessarion is still very young. Only the formidable one left is Dreamfire.
And
Idol is
she
very
will-
weak.
Helena won't write
I
it.
think she will.
I don't think so.
You will see in the 8th one, na, how Aemon
हाँ
he pressurizes her. That part is epic.
Yeah.
यार, नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड, जब वो फाइनल जब सेकंड टाइम बाकी सब आते हैं, उतने सारे ड्रैगन सीड्स आते हैं, and she approaches the dragon. Why she is so proud? Because यहाँ पे she is a little afraid कि यार ये ड्रैगन तो एक ड्रैगन सीड को जला दिया उसने. She is also a normal dragon seed, right?
Yes.
She could also get burnt, but then
Mm.
something different happens, and that's how her face, is full of pride and सही किया or something like that.
Because
right?
it was, I mean, because it was her idea, everyone was against it. Or वही हुआ, like everyone proved right. He was very skeptical.
Very, very.
This guy turned evil in just one episode.
Hmm. Hmm.
This guy is. I mean, इसे कहते हैं ना दोगलापन real. This guy is a real दोगला.
अभी तक लग रहा था.
ये अश्नीर ग्रोवर का फोटो लगाना पड़ेगा क्या यार?
Exactly. Ashni Grover, that face should be put here. मतलब एक दोगला it was made for him only. Larry Strong की बैंड बजा रखी है Eamon ने. All his wit is at end.
Hmm.
It's like a micromanaging terrible boss.
Hmm.
And you are super smart. What do? You come with this kind of face.
Wow, yeah. You watch a lot of memes.
No, sometimes she makes up on herself. It is not that she has
Yeah,
consumed.
it is.
खुद के ही.
Yes.
Wow, क्या line है? Some of us must serve in smaller ways. ध्यान ही
This
दिया.
is Reyna, right?
This is
हाँ, तो
Lucerys'
उसको एक ही काम देते हैं कि जस्ट अपने सब भाई बहनों को बेबी सिट करना है और अच्छे से सेफ रखना है. उनको बेच के बस लास्ट एपिसोड में शी कीप्स रनिंग एंड रनिंग.
She has three critical works: saving the 3 dragon eggs laid by Syrax, and then taking care of the 2 baby dragons, and 3 kids of Rhaenyra.
Oh, Syrax has laid 3 dragon eggs. Are those the
Yes.
3 dragon eggs that reach to Daenerys? Yes.
Those are the eggs that Daenerys will hatch in future, because Daenerys belongs from the bloodline of Rhaenyra and Daemon, and the eggs are also from the bloodline of Daemon and Rhaenyra.
अच्छा.
So the dragon will sense the blood linkage, and that's why they hatch to her.
Yeah, this is जबरदस्त scene where she sends food and everything. पहले मुझे लगता था कि एक ही बोट आया है और फिर वो शॉट जैसे चेंज होता है ना, ये ऐसे.
एक मीम था
हाँ.
जिसमें था कि she was like I'm a good queen, I feed the people of King's Landing and I help them.
हाँ.
और फिर दूसरा था कि who is supporting the blockade, तो फिर था कि I am only. Like they are starving because of her only, and then she is
Sending food.
And then again she invites King's Landing folks to die of fire.
Yes.
King's Landing people are like taxpayers of India.
Yes.
ऐसे भी मरो वैसे भी मरो, ऐसा है.
कैसे भी, हाँ.
And Nirmala Sitharaman is Aemon Targaryen. Aemon Raman. Aemon Raman. What do we call? Something has to be called Sitaman.
इसमें क्लैप का ऑप्शन नहीं आता क्या?
क्लैप का आता है ना, नीचे लेफ्ट साइड होगा. लेफ्ट एग्जैक्टली यही.
Thank you, my pleasure.
तो भगा के मारते हैं उनको.
Helena is people's favorite है ना, श्रेया.
Yes.
But here they are attacking.
ये दे आर अटैकिंग क्योंकि भूखमरी है, अकाल है, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, और किसको पकड़ेंगे? वही तो जो गवर्न
It's
कर रहे
like
हैं.
how Marie Antoinette was lynched by the French mob. Similar is the case in King's Landing now. Because there is no smart brainchild like Otto Hightower or Larry Strong to guide them with the finances, economies, and the politics. Going on their whims and fancies right now. So that's why this is happening.
यार ये भी बहुत सही सीन लगा था मुझे. फेल्ट इमोशनल के ये क्रिपल है और ये रो रहा होता है. हाँ.
He actually cares for him.
He wants to become Hand, and I think he thinks that Aegon will make him.
I think he will. And he sees his reflection in Aegon. He himself is a cripple, na? So he knows how badly. So he relates at him at a pain, at an emotional level. And that's why Aegon listens to him as well. Because no one listened to Aegon. Neither his brother, neither his father, nor his mother. Aegon was like a puppet or a statue. Just meant to sit as a figurative head. Kind of frustrated with that, and he
And he
wanted
did
some.
not even want it in first place. Like it was also forced upon him.
करेक्ट.
हाँ,
वही तो वो
it was
बोलती
kind
है.
of-
कि विसेरिस को भी मतलब क्राउन उन्हीं लोग को मिलता है जो नहीं चाहते हैं, वो बस वो किसी तरह वो जिम्मेदारी ले लेते हैं क्योंकि कोई और चारा नहीं है। बट जो ये इस ताक में रहता है कि मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए मुझे चाहिए, वो उसको मिलता ही नहीं है। लाइक एलिसेंट, एलिसेंट को
Like
चाहिए पावर
Alicent,
और क्राउन। हाँ
like Aegon also, and like Daemon Targaryen, Daemon also.
हाँ हाँ, बट डेमन सॉर्ट ऑफ इन द लास्ट एपिसोड ही टर्न्स अराउंड एज अ पर्सन,
Yeah,
उसको होश
But guys, don't forget that ultimately Bran sits on the throne.
अल्टीमेटली हु सिट्स ऑन द
Bran,
थ्रोन?
in the
Brandon
end, no,
Stark.
Bran
हाँ
the
यस,
Builder,
ब्रान स्टार्क, यस यस।
Bran Stark is the most shrewd guy.
एक कोई सेंटेंस था, आई थिंक जॉन स्नो knows nothing but does everything. Bran knows everything but does nothing.
That is what is the real power. No, you don't do anything, but you get everything. This is how you play chess.
There is one more thing, like in this series,
हाँ
who was his earlier rider?
That Lenore.
Lenore, right? So like in this universe, until and unless a rider is dead, a dragon cannot have a new rider. So like we can conclude from this that Lenore died off screen somewhere.
Yes.
ओके
Because in books he died, but in series he did not. Like they show that he escaped. And from joke perspective, like this guy is also black. Lenore was also black. The dragon might have confused, like, yeah, this is Lenore. Let's chase him.
शुक्र है हम यूएस में नहीं है, वरना जेल में होते अभी।
And I think this girl Renera, this was not in the script. She said that I thought that we should do it, and they did it like on that time only.
अच्छा, दिस किस वाज नॉट देयर इन द स्क्रिप्ट, ऐसा कैसे हो
Yeah,
सकता
no,
है यार?
it was not. You just read about it.
आई बिलीव यू आर मेंट टू बी क्वीन।
क्योंकि सजेस्टेड ऐसा नहीं कि जस्ट कैमरा एक्शन के बाद हो गया। तो ऑन दैट टाइम स्क्रीन बुक मतलब स्क्रीन प्ले में ये लिखा था देयर वाज सम एयर बिटवीन देम, दैट्स व्हाट। देन
अच्छा
शी सेड दैट लाइक यू आर द ओनली फीमेल whom I can trust and so we should do it, and they both aligned.
हाँ, तो ये इतनी डिटेल में नहीं लिखा है कि मतलब यूजुअली स्क्रिप्ट में ही
नहीं
लिखा
लिखा
होता है,
नहीं था।
शी स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड एंड हग्स द अदर
This girl
कैरेक्टर।
suggested and then they continued.
अच्छा
They are Targaryens, man, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।
ये जो पकड़े जाते हैं अभी, धड़ाम।
Yes, they're like,
Begging
finally
your
I
pardon.
found someone.
Your Grace,
He's so
the
awkward
dragon sea
right now.
smoke has been sighted flying over this.
Ouch. This hurt. Dragon Zone, this shot is so epic, no?
Yeah.
The VFX and the shot. Oh my god.
That's
The
the-
bird's eye view to the fish eye view.
Where is he going? Any idea?
To meet this guy, a sea smoke.
To meet?
No, so what happened is that sea smoke was claimed by Adam of Hull, right?
Yes.
And so he came, rushing that, they found a new rider, and therefore she is rushing to confront him. Yeah, this was the
Ah,
scene.
yes. Yeah, this was the scene. Got it.